So yeah, this is really a historic moment. I'm quite speechless. I'm actually nervous. I'm anxious. I'm just quite overwhelmed. And yeah, let's see. Neighbors are looking at me. Yeah. This is for all of us. Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. Here we go. Okay. Pulling out. So I just have to be careful. People can't really see us coming out. Come on, man, let me go. Okay, I think we'll just have to drive Saudi style. There we are. And we are on the road driving. I can't believe this. Oh damn, she's driving. Bismillah, can't believe she's driving. Oh my guys. I'm quite speechless. My tongue is twisted in a knot. I am so besides myself. So far it's been really smooth. I haven't seen any other women on the road yet. I'm not sure if people have noticed that I'm on the road. But yeah, I feel, now that I'm driving, I actually feel calm and confident. It's like riding a bike. Once you learn how to do it, it's with you forever. I'm probably also the safest driver on the road, so men's got lots to learn from me. So keep an eye out. Might teach you a thing or two.